My name is Adrienne Mendoza. I'm the Chief Operating Officer for BBG Advanced Therapies. So one of the things that we do at BBG Advanced Therapies is to help evaluate and develop new test methods. And along with those new test methods, we have new data becoming available. And I think it's one of those really intriguing ideas to think about as we develop new novel technologies in the field, as we evaluate new analytes, mechanisms of action, how do we elevate that data in an anonymized way but still allow for the field to fully advance based on some of those insights that are gleaned. One of the most important aspects today is patient access. Without the place where therapies are available, without the knowledge about them, and without the affordability of them, patients are not accessing these therapies. So we really have to revisit the models of how cell and gene therapies are delivered to community settings. And one of the most important untapped resources available that's already very experienced in this field is within the blood banks, within the blood center community. And it's not just in the US, but internationally, where there is already capacity to help provide the critical input to manufacturing, which is those starting cells from patients, and also to recruit a huge donor base to support the allogeneic CAR T-cell therapies and other feeder layer cells needed for autologous TILs, for example. So we really, as an industry, should revisit the approach of how these therapies are delivered to community settings, decoupling the apheresis and cell collection from the clinical site, allowing those clinical sites to focus on the downstream patient care and ultimately what looks a lot like blood transfusion. One of the innovations that we've been working on at BBG Advanced Therapies, which we're really excited to share here at Meeting on the Mesa, and ultimately will be presented at AABP as well, is the Mobile Leukapheresis Center. So here we're taking the infrastructure we've already had within a blood bank and actually putting it on wheels like a blood mobile, but special purpose of cell collection. So we have an analytical lab on board, a bathroom on board, and the procedure base to support at least 2 patients at once. And we're very excited about demonstrating this model because if others are interested in developing such a solution for their community, I think this is where it's really about collaboration and sharing those insights and also learning together. So we're really excited to bring about that opportunity for the field to explore a new model with the Mobile Leukapheresis Center.